Hello Singh, welcome to the channel. Singh aikoina Amazon dagi mobile natraga computer gi khuthangda pochai leiba matamda bank ki details yawba debit card or credit card asi payment method oina hek accept tawi adubu karigumba save tawriba card or payment method adu Amazon account dagi lawthokninglabadi madu mataw karamna lawthokadagi habadu ahak share tawjarake amuk hapchinninglabsu amuk pochai leiba matamda hapchinbasu yai adubu ngasigi matang asidadi Amazon account ki payment method ta yauriba debit card or credit card adu matau karamna lokthokadage habadu ahak share tawjarake. So watch the video till the end. Ahanbada browser hangdokpiro aduga www.amazon.in da changbiro aduga isagi Amazon account aduda login tawduna changbiro ahak kidi hanana changlaga leire login tawraba matungda account and the list asida cursor aduna pusanbiro your account ta click tawbiro hojik your account ki manungda yawba options mayama matholae masida aikoina khangadabasi payments options asidani aduna masida click tawbiro mathangda your payment options haibadi lairiba mi adugi ming address yawba interface ama thoklae madu scroll down tawraba matungda your save credit and debit card haiba section ama thengnagani maduda drop down icon ama yawgani maduda click tawbiro drop down icon aduda click tawba matamda debit card ta iba account holder adugi maming amadi billing address ki details thengnagani loinana remove amadi edit haiba option sing asisu thengnagani remove option asida click tawbiro madugi matungda card ki payment method adu lawthoknanaba message ama pop up tawrakani aduna hojik confirm remove ta click tawbiro hojik hana Amazon account ta save tawduna thamlamba card ki payment method adu lawthokre karigumba amuk hapchinninglabsu natraga pungnong nowba ama hapchinninglabsu add your card haiba sida click tawraga hapchinbibi yai. So that was today's video. If you find the video useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.